This is West Virginia Public Broadcasting, online at wvpublic.org.
WCHS is relaying.
Have you already seen some impact from this trade fight? Are you wondering how it will affect you in the future? Comment on our Facebook page, tweet us at 1A, or email us 1A@wamu.org.
Of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators and voluntary
What the actual...
This is a test of the National Emergency Alert System. This system was developed by broadcast and cable operators in voluntary cooperation with the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the Federal Communications Commission, and local authorities to keep you informed in the event of an emergency. If this had been an actual emergency, an official message would have followed the tone alert you heard at the start of this message. No action is required.
Like if tariffs is